All right, we got another one. We got to modify the plow mount, make it a little bit more beefier. Front plate's already bent, meaning the plow's already been kicked in, probably hit a manhole cover or something. And we're gonna add our side gussets in here internally and tie them into the frame back here, blah, 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 yada, yada, yada. Anyway, let's get into this. Yeah. Oh, and I'm sorry, I didn't mean to offend those sensitive souls. It's not a manhole cover, it's a person hole cover. Anyway. All right, had a productive couple hours. I got the front cut off. I got the front plate cut off. Got it all prepped up and ready to go. Went ahead and pulled the fender extensions off, and I went ahead and cut my plate. Love skill saws, or Milwaukee cold saw, I guess. Anyway, I got to cut my hole so they can change out that actuator as needed. So. Hole saw time. Yay! All right, got our actuator cut in. Went ahead and nailed on the plate, nailed on the front. I got my side plates cut, and I was just getting ready to fit the other side. And I realized, I never showed this before. This is why we're changing all this, is this brace is so close to that steering. Any little bump cause that thing to bend, it'll bind the steering up, and they crash, burn, die screaming horrible, painful death. So that's going away, and that's why we're doing the side plates here. Try to brace that up some. I don't have the room. I don't have the room to go on the inside because of the radiator and some other things. So yeah, that's why we're doing what we're doing. So yeah, let's keep going. All right, got my side plates in. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm ready to put my top cap on and my little filler plates right here. So yeah, let's do that. All right, so I went ahead and got her all buttoned up and painted and got my little valve mounted on the side here, and I went to go put the bumperettes on and realized something. My holes right there I can't access on the back side. So I had to make a couple blind bolts, so yay for that. All right, all buttoned up, back together, looking shiny. The only thing that bums me out is I had to put a little whoopty in my hole to allow for the electrical connector, so you can get that stupid coil out. Yeah, so anyway, yeah, we're all done with this, and yeah.